Switch-a-Doodle.
Hey, everybody!
It's time for the Doodlebops.
I'm Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle.
Oh.
And
Oh. Where's Mo?
where's Mo?
Where's Mo?
Come on and help us look for him. Mo?
Mo!
Mo!
We've got to find him soon. The clock's ticking. There's something funny about my wristwatch.
Well, with all that laughing, it must be funny. Maybe it needs winding.
Ta-da! Here I am. It can't be easy hiding in a watch. You're always being watched.
At least now Mo's all wound up. Let's go! I'm Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle. I'm Mo Doodle. And we're the Doodlebops.
The waving nods?
Now the Doodlebops.
Good. My hand is tired from waving, and my neck is sore from nodding.
It's time for the Doodlebop pledge.
Do you know the pledge?
Come on, say it with us.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We promise to share. We promise to care. All together as a team. Just stick to it. We can do it. We can do anything. Stand tall. Say it loud. We're together and we're proud.
Dee
Rooney. Mo. Yeah. We're the Doodlebops.
Really tickles the old eardrums.
It's Jasmine.
Shabba dabba dee bop, baba doo wop, shabba dabba dee bop, why? Shabba dabba dee bop, ooh baba doo wop, shabba dabba doo boo bang. Bee diddly bee, oh yes, it's me. Bo diddly bo, dancing to and fro. Now, I have to ask about today's task. Consider it a quiz. Do you remember what it is? No need to fret. Sometimes we forget. The job you need to do is right in front of you. Your instruments, my chums. Piano, guitar, and drums.
Now I remember what we have to do.
We have to give our instruments a tune-up.
Bingo, that's the lingo. You heard me speaking. Time to get tweaking.
These tools will come in handy.
Oh, thanks, Rooney.
Here, Dee.
Thanks. Cool.
Rooney, I don't mean to dwell, but don't you need a tool as well?
No, I installed this button on my guitar that automatically tunes it for me. Watch.
Well, I see you're in the tuning mode. It's time for me to hit the road. See you later, alligators.
In a while, crocodile.
How does she do that?
Sounds like we're done tuning. Let's see the results.
Yeah.
Yeah! Awesome!
Your drums sound great.
Thanks, Roon.
I've always wondered what it'd be like to bang on the drums.
Really? I've always thought it'd be fun to tinkle the piano keys.
And I love guitar solos. I always wanted to try doing one.
We've been playing music together for so long and we've never played each other's instruments.
Yeah.
What would it be like if we did? Boom, 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 boom.
Let's have fun. We can be a different doodle. Let's have fun. Come with me. We can try to be whoever we can be.
You can be me.
I will play like you do.
Let's
places
You can see what I see. Switching instruments could be tons of fun.
We could even try doing the non-musical stuff each of us does.
Yeah, like how I invent things. Or how Dee does magic tricks. And how you play hide and seek.
Exactly.
Then let's do it. For the rest of the day, we'll Switch-a-Doodle. I'll play the guitar and do the things Rooney likes to do.
And I'll play the drums and do the things Mo likes to do.
Oh, and I'll play the piano and do the things Dee Dee likes to do.
Switch-a-Doodle!
There's just one little thing I gotta do first.
Ahem. Shouldn't I be the one doing that?
Let me do this one last thing before we switch. I can't resist.
Oh, Mo, don't pull the rope.
Don't pull the rope.
Don't pull the rope.
Refreshing.
Oh.
Now we can switch.
Come on!
Let's hit the studio.
Hey, Murph.
Hey, Murph.
Hey, Murph.
My doodle brothers and sisters. Hey, I heard about your big switch today and it sounds like fun. In fact, it's so much fun, I think I'm gonna call my good old buddy, old pal, to see if he's interested in switching with me. So you hang on for 1 second, hang on.
No, I'm not interested in switching with you.
Well, how did you know I was gonna ask that?
Everybody wants to switch with me. You know who has already asked. Well, you can't blame a moose for trying.
Don't worry, Murph. We'll switch with you sometime. Your job looks like fun.
That would be groovy, baby, but right now, you still have your own switch-a-doodle to do, so get down and get switching. Right! All right.
Cool.
Let's play.
Yeah. Oh, that hurt my ears.
Yeah.
Mine too. We just gotta get used to playing these new instruments and maybe we'll get better at it.
Right. Well, that wasn't as bad. Maybe we just need to practice a little more and we'll get better at it. One more time.
Much better. I think we're ready to record our new video.
Yeah.
Right on. Hit it, Murph.
All right.
It's time for our song now.
Get up and dance with us.
Come on, it'll be fun.
This dance is called the switch.
You start by playing the guitar.
Then you play the piano.
And finally, you beat on your drums.
And now you're doing the switch.
Ready? Okay, let's hit it.
Yeah.
Let's get moving. Let's get going. Let's have fun. We can be a different doodle. Let's have fun. Come with me. We can try to be whoever we can be. You can be me.
I will play like you do.
Let's trade places. You can see what I see. We can be a different doodle. See what I see. Come along and join me. Now let's have fun. Get moving. We can be a different doodle. Let's have fun. Get going.
So much fun for you and me.
Let's have fun. Get moving.
You know anything can happen.
Let's have fun. Get going. Come with me. We can try to be whoever we can be. You can be me.
I will play like you do.
Let's trade places. You can see what I see. We could be a different doodle. Let's have fun.
Come along and join me. Now let's have fun.
Well, you may have switched, but you still got the groove, baby.
It's bus driver Bob! Man, playing the guitar takes a lot more skill than I thought.
Mo makes the drums look so easy.
I didn't realize how good Dee Dee was at the piano until I tried it myself.
That's true, and so very true.
Bye, Murph.
Bye, Murphy!
See you, Murph.
Toodles doodles.
Hey, Doodlebops!
Hey, Bob.
Hey, Rooney. Hey, Dee Dee. Hey, Mo.
Let's get on the bus.
It's time to go.
Let's get on the bus.
Hey, don't you know?
Let's get on the bus.
Go here to there.
Let's get on the bus.
Go everywhere.
Come with me, and we'll see all there is to see. You can be who you want to be. We can go anywhere to play. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. We know Bob always knows the way. All aboard, there's no time to delay. Come along, we can sing and play. Yeah, yeah. Let's get on the bus.
It's time to go.
Let's get on the bus.
It's time for the show.
Let's get on the bus.
Go here to there.
Let's get on the bus.
Go everywhere. Hey, come on. We're gonna take a bus ride. Yeah, come on. We're gonna take a bus ride. Yeah, come on inside. We're gonna take a bus ride. Everybody on board. Strike a chord. We're gonna take a bus ride.
That was great, Doodlebops. All right, buckle up and we'll be on our way. There's something different about you Doodlebops today.
There is. We pulled a big-time switch-a-doodle.
Cool. I just hope you didn't switch names, too. Because if I had to call you Rooney and Rooney Mo, and oh, my head is just spinning thinking about it.
Don't worry, Bob. We just switched our instruments.
And we switched hobbies. I'm about to do one of Dee Dee's.
Woo!
Magic. Ta-da! A starfish.
Try that one again.
Okay, ta-da! A baseball? That's not right. Ta-da!
Oh. My turn. I'm going to invent something, just like Rooney does. Yeah. Ta-da! It's gonna send us directly to the theater. Cool. I call it the bus sender.
Cool.
Better try again. One more time. Oh no! My gadget. It just went kaplurry.
Don't worry, Dee Dee. I'm an expert at driving through the desert. You'll be at the theater faster than you can say, I got sand in my shoes! And we're here.
Yes.
Have a good show.
Bye, Bob.
Bye, Dee Dee. See you, Bob.
Hey, everyone! Who's ready for some autographs?
Yeah? Well, you guys are in for a treat today. We did Switch-a-Doodle, and here's some pictures of us playing each other's instruments.
We know you're used to seeing us play our regular instruments.
But we think it's good to try new things. Don't you think?
Yeah? Well, we'll see you inside. Bye.
See ya, bye!
I love Dee Dee. I love Marie. I love Bob. I'm so glad the Doodlebops keeps my town.
Why, it's Mo and Dee Dee. Done your autographs, I see. But Rooney isn't around. Is he nowhere to be found?
He's hiding.
My word, that's new. Isn't hiding what you do?
We did a switch-a-doodle, so Rooney's doing what Mo does.
We found him really fast, though. He's right there in that box. Ta-da! Here I am!
Rooney.
Oh, you guys knew where I was hiding the whole time. I thought hiding would be as easy as my guitar playing is for me.
And I thought the same thing about inventing.
And I thought the same thing about magic tricks.
You've all tried each other's stuff. It might have gone a little rough, but in the end, it was great because now you appreciate how talented you are at the things that make you stars.
That's true.
Yeah, switch-a-doodling was really fun, but our fans came to see us play our usual instruments. We should switch back.
But we'll switch again soon, right?
You bet. That was fun.
You are quite a team. Now make them scream!
Yeah, let's go!
Guys,
Boys and girls, please take your seats. The show is about to begin.
Your feet will stomp when you hear this band. They're the Doodlebops! Let's give them a hand! Let's get moving. Let's get going. Let's have fun. We can be a different doodle. Let's have fun. Come with me. We can try to be whoever we can be. You can be me.
I will play like you do.
Let's trade places. You can see what I see. We can be a different doodle. See what I see. Come along and join me. Now let's have fun. Get moving. We can be a different doodle. Let's have fun. Get going.
So much fun for you and me.
Let's have fun. Get moving.
You know anything can happen.
Let's have fun. Get going. Come with me. We can try to be whoever we can be. You can be me.
I will play like you do.
Let's trade places. You can see what I see. We could be a different doodle. Let's have fun.
Come along and join me. Now let's have fun.
Hey, Jasmine, what do you think it'd be like if we switched jobs?
Well, no need to be shy. Let's give it a try.
Okay. My name is Bob, and I'm not a slob. Yeah, I can bust a groove, but it's not always easy. No, smooth. Smooth. It's not always smooth.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Thistle.
Thistle who?
This'll have to hold you until dinner's ready. Get it? This'll have to hold you until dinner's ready. It's so funny.
I think I just lost my appetite.
We're the Doodlebops, and we thank you, oh yeah. Now the time has come once again for us to say, hey, when we get together, we're always having fun, laughing while we're learning and we're singing. You never have to worry, 'cause we're here to say that there's a new tomorrow for us every single day.
Thanks, everybody, for joining us today.
Yeah! We really love having you with us. Together we're the Doodlebops, we'll sing